I'm Katie. I'm with Yuba Bicycles, and I would love to show you the new Electric Supermarché. This is the newest bike from Yuba. It's launching this fall, and it's going to retail for $5,999. Awesome thing about this bike is it's their front-loading bike, and they have equipped it now with the Bosch CX motor. So it has a lot of torque, and that makes it way more accessible if you're going to be carrying large loads, heavy loads, anything like that if you have to go up hills. The front carrying area, it can max out at around 220 pounds. It's about 2 kids, a couple pets and dogs, groceries, all your beach picnic gear, or 3 kegs if you really wanted to have a party. The back compact cargo area fits 1 Yepp child seat, so it is Yepp compatible, and that will max out at about 80 pounds. You can find more information on this bike at their website, which is yubabikes.com.